today's video, guys, I just want to share to you what I received today. This is from Manila. DHL Express. Ayan. Ito ay ang in-order ko na medical eyewear na binili ko sa Pilipinas. Naisip ko kasi na ito ay mahalaga at makakatulong sa kalusugan ng aking mata. At hindi lamang dahil para sa mata, kundi marami na rin benefits na makuha sa medical eyewear na ito. So, ito guys, bubuksan natin. Medical eyewear. IONSPEC.
I should have told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time.
This is the invoice. So, itong laman niya guys.
And say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the
Meron ditong resibo din doon sa binilhan ko na seller. May resibo din siya na pinadala.
but it never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like they never shone. I should have told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you.
MGI IONSPEC.
One more time. I should have told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
So, ito siya guys.
Should have told you that I loved you.
Wow. Excited na ako ma-try. Tapos meron siyang cleaning cloth sa loob. So, i-try natin. We'll try. Ay, gusto ko siya. MGI IONSPEC Nano Wellness Spectacle. What are the benefits you can get from this medical eyewear? Number 1, improves blood circulation. Number 2, increases oxygen level. Number 3, improves metabolism. Number 4, relieves eye fatigue. And number 5, prevention of eye diseases like cataract, glaucoma, cylinder or astigmatism, floater's eyes, nearsightedness, farsightedness, lazy eyes, slow loss of sight, colorblind, age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, retinal detachment, and dry eyes. And these are the frame contents. It has negative ion, it has organic germanium, it has nano silver, it has far infrared, and it has 72 types of minerals. That's why I love this medical eyewear. This medical eyewear cost 7,800 pesos. That's the company price in the Philippines. But here in Europe, maybe you can get this 130 to 140 euro because of course they need to pay for the shipping fee. I'm so glad that I got one. And thank you for my friend Annabelle for introducing this to me. This is proudly made in the Philippines. I can see here that it's not an ordinary eyewear. Very nice. Lifetime mo ito guys magagamit to prevent eye problems. At saka ang kagandahan nito, dahil ako ay almost my day ginagamit ko kaharap ang computer sa editing, sa buhay ng isang YouTuber, kailangan mong humarap lagi sa gadgets. So malaking tulong ito para sa akin. At makikita mo dito na hindi siya ordinaryong eyewear. Kaya nga tinawag ito na medical eyewear kasi marami kang benefits na makukuha. Ito ay hindi pa gaanong kilala dito sa Europe. Ito ay gawa sa Pilipinas at ito ay produkto ng Pilipinas. So, para sa akin, may pagmamalaki din natin ang gawang Pilipino dahil alam naman natin na kung baga hindi naman sila basta-basta naglalabas ng mga ganitong uri ng produkto pag hindi talaga effective. Kaya gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo dahil nung makita ko yung presentation ng product nila, talagang kailangan ko dahil naghahanap dito mismo sa Vienna, naghahanap ako ng ganung eyewear na masusuot ko anytime para maprotektahan yung mata ko lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Ito ay magagamit ng lahat. Bata ka man, matanda ka man, kahit ang iyong grado ng mata ay medyo mataas na, kaya niyang baguhin at pababain ang grado ng mata mo, i-correct niya. At if in case na gusto nyo rin, pwede ko rin kayong tulungan, kagaya ng ginawa ko. Actually guys, ito ay binili ko ng 7,800 pesos. Pag dito sa Europe, almost 140, 45 something, I think. Libre na yung delivery. Kaya from the Philippines, i-deliver nila dito. Saka, ayun, safe naman at mabilis lang siya dumating. Kaya, kahit may pandemic ngayon, pero maayos ang kanilang pag-deliver or maayos ang kanilang serbisyo. Kaya if in case na gusto nyo rin guys, don't hesitate to contact me. Kaya, ayan sa mga taga Vienna, kung gusto nyo po nito, i-share ko lang sa inyo. Yung price na yan na 7,800, company price po yan. So, ganun din, walang kung gusto nyo magpasabay, contact nyo lang po ako, tutulungan ko po kayo. So, hindi ko kayo manghihinayang sa 140 ba yung 40 euro para sa lifetime na salamin na magagamit nyo, malaking maitutulong. Marami ka ding pagpipilian sa kanilang product kung anong nababagay sa shape ng mukha mo. At ito ang pinili ko kasi parang bagay sa akin dahil bilog yung mukha ko. So thank you guys for watching. Sana meron akong tutulong sa inyo sa pag-share sa medical eyewear na ito. I super love it. So thank you guys for watching. God bless.